Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is cloud computing regarding video guys. So for the course cloud computing, we have prepared the exam preparation videos. So these are the combination of previous year's questions as well as our own handmade questions guys. With 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have prepared this guys. So in this super savings pack, you'll get a PDF guys. It's a PDF Google Drive link access. It's a restricted access guys. So here you'll get a huge number of 300 MCQs guys. So 300 MCQs. So for one person it is 300 rupees guys. If you take it combinedly for 2 to 5 persons as a group, it is just 500 rupees only guys. If your friends or classmates doing the same course along with you, then you can combinedly take this 500 rupee pack. So up to 5 members can use this guys. So the validity will be till the exam day, and topic coverage is also very high. We covered all the 12 weeks guys. So search option is also available. You can search any question you want, and it is also easy to revise because it is a PDF. You can easily revise any number of questions, because even going to the examination hall doing the transport also you can easily revise because it is a PDF. So this is the mail ID guys. If you want to purchase, then mail me to this email ID. Already many students have taken our various PDF packs guys regarding various courses. So bk179417@gmail.com. So many students and professors have taken our various packs guys. They highly recommend our packs. So this is the mail ID guys. So remember, only if you are confirmed to make the payment, then only mail me guys, because many other students who want to make payment are still waiting for the reply. So we have to arrange them in priority order. So if you message first, then you'll get the access within 5 minutes guys, depending on the time of your payment. So this is the mail ID guys. So remember, before purchase, so discuss with your friends and take it combinedly pack guys. If you're only one person, then you can take this 300 rupees pack, so for one person. And if you are 2 to 5 persons, then you can combinedly take this 500 rupee pack. For 2 to 5 persons combinedly, you will get it. For just as a group, it will be 500 rupees guys, combined pack. If you're only one person, it is just 300 rupees only guys. So mail me to this email ID if you want confirm to make the payment guys. If you are confirmed to make the purchase, then only mail me guys. So this is the mail ID. I'll give the same email ID in the description box as well. So that's it guys for this video. So I wish you very all the best for your final exam. So do well in the exam guys. So keep supporting us like this. So that's it guys. Good.